You've sat through this meeting. Someone on the team wants to wire Claude or GPT into the build pipeline, the PR review bot, the on-call triage flow. Pick your flavor. Someone else pushes back. It hallucinates. It's non-deterministic. We'll be debugging prompts at 2 a.m. 40 minutes in, nobody's moved. The RFC has 38 comments. The decision gets punted to next sprint. There's one question that ends this debate every time. It's not about model accuracy. It's not about cost per token. It's about blast radius, and most teams aren't asking it. The question is, what's the cost of one wrong output, and who pays it? That's it. Every productive AI adoption conversation I've seen at scale-ups collapses down to that. Here's why it works. LLM outputs aren't right or wrong in the way a unit test is right or wrong. They're right-ish on a distribution. So the real engineering question isn't, is the model good enough? It's what happens on the tail. Plot your use case on this matrix. Top left quadrant. A model misclassifies an internal log line, a human reviews it, takes 10 seconds to fix, ship it. That's where GitHub Copilot lives. That's where Shopify's internal dev tooling lives. The IC absorbs a tiny error. The loop is tight, the blast radius is one keystroke. Bottom right quadrant, the model auto-approves a refund, ships code to prod, sends an email to a customer, makes a medical inference. The error compounds. A human finds out about it from a Twitter screenshot. That's where you need eval harnesses, human in the loop, and a rollback story before you write a single prompt. Notice what this question does to the meeting. It stops being a debate about whether AI is ready. That debate is unwinnable because both sides are right in the abstract. It becomes a debate about this specific integration, this specific failure mode, this specific on-call rotation that's going to eat the consequences. For staff ICs, this is the framing that gets your RFC unstuck. Don't argue model quality. Specify the failure mode, the detection latency, the rollback path. Treat the LLM like any other dependency with a bad SLO, because that's what it is. For EMs, this is the framing that protects your team from the exec who read a McKinsey report on the plane. What's the cost of being wrong and who pays it? Reframes, why aren't we using more AI into a concrete conversation about risk ownership? Usually the answer is, your on-call engineer pays it at 2 a.m. and they didn't get consulted. The team's shipping AI well right now, the internal tooling at Stripe, the dev loop stuff at GitHub, the support triage work at Intercom. They all started in the top left quadrant and earned their way down right with evals and guardrails. They didn't start by replacing the on-call rotation. So next time the debate flares up in your channel, skip the 40-minute thread. Ask the question, draw the quadrant, move on. Next video, I'm breaking down what an AI integration RFC actually looks like. The eval section, the rollback section, the who gets paged section. If you've got a template that works at your org, drop it in the comments. I want to see the failure mode tables people are actually using.